In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from SharePoint List to Power BI Report. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without pausing every few seconds. This process works best in Power BI Desktop and assumes you already have access to the SharePoint site that hosts your list. Before you start, make sure you know the site URL. That's the address of the SharePoint site itself, not the specific list page. A quick tip. If your list opens in the browser and the address includes extra paths like /lists/us, copy only the part up to the site name. Using the clean site URL helps Power BI detect all lists available on that site. Begin on the Home tab in Power BI Desktop and click Get Data. You'll find it near the top left of the window. This is where all the connectors live, and it's the entry point for bringing data into your report. When the Get Data dialog appears, use the search bar to look for SharePoint List. Typing the name helps you filter quickly instead of scrolling through the full catalog. The SharePoint List connector is designed to read structured list data, which is ideal for tasks, issues, contacts, custom lists, and many common business solutions built on SharePoint. Next, you'll be prompted to provide the site URL. Enter the SharePoint site address you prepared earlier, then confirm. Using the correct site URL is important. If your list is inside a subsite, use that subsite's URL. Keep it simple and avoid pasting long query strings or view parameters from the browser's address bar. Once you confirm, Power BI will reach out to SharePoint and return the available lists. At this point, you're connected and your data is within reach. If you don't see the list you expect, double-check that the list truly lives on the site URL you entered, and that your account has permission to view it. It also helps to confirm that the list isn't hidden or part of a different site collection. A few practical tips as you proceed. SharePoint lists often contain choice fields, person fields, and lookup columns. Those are supported, but you may want to review the data types once the data is in Power BI to ensure everything displays as you expect. If your organization relies on this list for daily updates, remember that Power BI can refresh the data so your report stays current. And that's it. You've connected Power BI to a SharePoint list using Get Data, searched for the right connector, entered the site URL, and you're ready to continue building your report with your list data.